is actually super real, itong ginawa niya na kaso, no? Well, complaint affidavit pa lang naman to, no? So complaint pa lang. Depende to kung tataas to as case, no, sa RTC, pero as of now meron na pong complaint affidavit and it's in. Oh my God, man. I heard rumors infidelity. Early on, I had no proof of such facts. It was only when I received the petition for declaration of nullity of marriage filed by respondent, and after reading the admission of respondent of having fathered 2 illegitimate children and his implied admissions of his current illicit relationship with Ivana Alawi, that I was able to confirm his marital infidelity. Betrayed by the respondent and was devastated beyond compare after finally discovering and confirming the truth in respondent's lies. So, nakita po natin dito, gusto niyang magkaroon na sila ng nullity of marriage. So, ibig sabihin nun, wala na silang pakialamanan sa isa't isa. At meron daw pong 2 illegitimate na anak, itong si Mayor, na nalaman niya, and yes, merong relasyon si Mayor Albi Benitez kay Ivana Alawi. Ayun po ang ini-state ng reklamo ng kanyang asawa kay Mayor.